Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix the issue Bluetooth not showing on your Windows. So here you can see my Bluetooth is not showing over here, and also if I just go to the setting and then in the setting here you can see Bluetooth and device. So here you can see devices option. If I now click on add devices and click on add device, then click on Bluetooth, it will show me a error that couldn't connect. So it means Bluetooth is not working on my device. So how can we fix it? The solution is really simple. First of all, you need to press on your keyboard Windows plus R key, and then it will show you something like this. And here you need to write services.msc. So you need to write this on, then click on OK. So once you click on OK, it will show you something like this. So from here, what you need to do is that you need to look for Bluetooth. So here you will see Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, and Bluetooth user service. So we need to click on the first one. And here, once you click on it, you will see the start option here. Also, if you just right click over here, you will see the start option over here as well. So we are going to click on start, and then you will see this restart option. So we are going to click on restart. So there you can see it is running. So we're going to do the same for Bluetooth support as well. So let me just right click here. Okay, it is already running. Let me just stop this and let me start this again, and then click here restart. After that, here you can see Bluetooth user support service. Again, I'll start this and then I'll click here restart. So now we can close this. So right now we'll go to the Windows search option and we're going to search over here device manager. Here you can see device manager. So we are going to click here and it will show you something like this. So here you need to look for Bluetooth. So there you can see Bluetooth is missing over here. So if you are not seeing Bluetooth, it means it is hidden. So for it, here you need to click on view icon, and here you can see show hidden devices. So I'm going to click here and it will show you the Bluetooth option here. So we're going to click here. So once you open Bluetooth, you will see Realtek, Intel or Qualcomm Bluetooth option here. So either you will see Realtek, Intel or Qualcomm option here. So if you have those any of those, just right click on it, then click here update drivers, then click here automatically search for it. So we updated our Bluetooth. Right now if we just right click here, there you can see our problem is still not solved. So right now how can we solve this issue? So in order to solve it, what we need to do is that we need to uninstall this driver. And what Windows will do is that when you restart your device, it will automatically install this Bluetooth driver again. So right now I am going to click here uninstall device. So we are going to select this, then click here uninstall. So after uninstalling Bluetooth, what you need to do is that you need to close everything in your system. And after that, what you need to do is that you need to press on the power button, whether you are using laptop or PC. Just press on the power button for 10 seconds. Then your system will shut down, then wait for 30 seconds, then restart your PC or laptop. And don't worry, this method is verified by Microsoft itself. So you can uninstall Bluetooth and restart your PC without any worry. And when you restart your PC, it will automatically install Bluetooth on your system. So right now I'm going to shut down my PC. And there you go, I am back. And right now here, when I restart my PC, it automatically install Bluetooth in my system. And here you can see I have the Bluetooth right now over here. But if for some reason Bluetooth is not installed, then what you can do is that go to the setting, and then over here you can see Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and you need to check for update, and there will be an update if Bluetooth is not installed on your system, and it will then automatically install Bluetooth in your system. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.